Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, a little bit of everything with Erin. Today we will be doing a crafting video. Sorry, my neighbors are being really loud right now, so if you hear all that noise, I do apologize. Today we're going to show you how to cut window cling with your Silhouette Cameo. And you can purchase window cling at your local Michael's. It does come in the Cricut brand. I believe I paid $8 for a 12 by 48 piece of this cling. There are a couple different colors. I went ahead and just picked up black because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. So we're going to show you how to do this two ways. The first way will be just a window cling itself, and then I'll show you how you can layer actual vinyl on it so that you don't need to waste money on all window cling. You can use that as your base to stick to the window and then use regular vinyl on top of it to create an image. So I've gone ahead and cut a piece and placed it on my mat. I use a Miss Katie mat. These are probably one of my favorites. The link to that will be down in the description box. It will be through my Amazon link, so I do make a commission off of that. Let's go over to my computer and hook this up. So you're just going to open that up to your screen. I like, if I have different colors, I like them on different mats. So I just moved that to a second mat. And the two items that will be on this mat are going to be cut in the cling. So when you go to send, you want to use the vinyl setting. There was one for a cling rack, but I tried it and it didn't work. The matte vinyl seemed to be the best one. And then go ahead and send. Okay, so now we have our window cling cut, and we have just a regular Oracle 651 vinyl cut. So we're going to weed those really quick. These would be great for teachers in their classroom, or if you just like to decorate your windows at home for the different holidays. You could even dress up an old mirror that you find at like Goodwill or a thrift store. If you're using these as window clings, I would definitely keep the backing on hand so that you can put that back, because these are reusable. As for windows outside, like on a car, I'm not sure how they would stand up against the elements, but that is something we can test out if you want to see that. So for the window cling, I'm just taking a Cricut weeding tool, and I will just grab at the end like I would any other vinyl and pull that back. And this is the backing that you would want to keep so that you can put this on to store it after you used it. And on this one, we're going to actually add vinyl to it. It weeds very easily, no problems. And I'm just going to take some contact paper that I pick up at Walmart in the kitchen section. And I like to use that because it's clear and I can see through it. I get multiple uses out of one piece. And this just helps me line up my vinyl when I'm layering. So I'm going to take the larger piece first in the mustardy gold color that we chose. I'm just going to burnish that onto the contact paper. I apply a little pressure when pulling back to make sure it sticks. Then I'll take the window cling and just kind of eyeball it. You can use registration marks if you would like. The window cling is going to try to stick to that, so just kind of hold it back to the backing. If it comes up a little, just kind of fix it so it's on there, so that when you layer your next piece of vinyl, it is even and it goes on straight. So now we have just regular vinyl, 651 Oracle vinyl applied onto the actual window cling. That way the vinyl is sticking to the cling and the cling is going to stick to the window, and we can move this anywhere we want, as often as we want. We don't have to worry about vinyl residue being on the window or tearing the vinyl when trying to take it off the window. And then this is just a regular window cling. I just wanted to show you that you can still use just the window cling and to layer it. So let's go over to a window and apply this. So I'm just over at my window here. I'm gonna take the heart that we did, and you can just peel it off. You don't need to get any transfer tape or anything like that. And you're just going to put it on the window and apply a little pressure, push out any air bubbles that it may have. And then again, same thing with the one that has the vinyl on it. I'm just gonna peel it right off of the backing because that's holding everything. And I'm just gonna apply that to the window. Add a little pressure, make sure there's no air bubbles. And it is on there. I know it's a little hard to see the colors because the light is coming the opposite way, but you kind of get the idea there. And then you can just take that off and place it somewhere else. When you're done, you just want to take the backing that it was on, and you can take it right off the window and place it back on the backing. And you'll have to apply a little pressure again, but it will stick there. That way you can put it in a Ziploc baggie and keep these and use them next year as well. Alright guys, that's how you can use the window cling vinyl by Cricut, and we used it in our silhouette Cameo, so it can be cut using that machine. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. You know that always helps me out, and I love it when you do it. And if you hit the bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!